Hello, so today is May 12, 2021 and I'm doing a quick unboxing video. I just got home and I got two brand new Nokia 2254G. We are in Haskovo, Bulgaria today. I got them from Vivacom and I got two brand new SIM cards. So in the era of smartphones, why would somebody get something like this? So first of all, this was on promotion. I got them for exactly 1 Bulgarian leva each of these. So for both I gave 2 Bulgarian leva. And 2 Bulgarian leva equals, well, very roughly you can think of it like $1. I got them on promotion because I got 2-year contracts from Vivacom, and I decided, because they were offering this, to get them. So why would somebody get something like this in the era of smartphones? Well, the thing is this: I'm going to use my Canadian Virgin Mobile SIM card on this thing. Of course, I also got my old Sony Xperia, I think it was XZ1, which is a magnificent phone, but unfortunately I was using it once in a water park and I damaged the speaker. I think I fried the amplifier. I cannot use wired headphones with this one, and I cannot use the speakers on this one. It's really quiet. I can use only wireless headphones, but I'm sick and tired of this. So while this is a magnificent phone currently, I can use it just as a small tablet. So I plan to use my regular LG phone with my brand new SIM card and my brand new Bulgarian phone, and I will put my Virgin Mobile Canadian SIM card in this one. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Alright, so first thing we see is the phone itself. Oh my, this is such a small and lightweight phone. Of course, the battery is not inside. We can clearly feel this. Okay, and the battery must be here somewhere. I'm sure that there is some power even without the SIM card. So let's power it on. I can guess that probably this is the key. Oh, okay, we have power. Thank you for choosing Nokia 2254G. By continuing, you accept the HDM global privacy policy. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Cool. Phone is working. No SIM. Whoa! What's this? Wow! For first time, I have a dual SIM card phone. Whoa, wait a minute, this is not indicated that this is a dual SIM anywhere. But phone itself is reporting 1 and 2, no SIM, no SIM. So looks like I got a dual SIM card phone. I have to double check this. Anyway, so nothing special, gallery. Okay. Maybe we can make a photo. Okay, basically really nothing special. Radio. Stop. Okay, radio works. I don't want to do more demonstration of this because obviously we are going to bump into copyright issues. No demo music available. Videos. No demo videos available. There is Facebook. There is the snake. Oh, okay. Radio is running in the background. How to close the radio in the background? Smart dual SIM. Yeah. Looks like the phone is really a dual SIM card. Phone. Okay. Close radio. Okay. Radio closed. Snake. New game. Cool. Now something cool that I can see here is the Oxford Dictionary. Ninja. What is this? Oh, something to buy. I don't want to buy it. Racing attack. Buy. I don't want to buy it. Games. Alarm clock. Calculator. Yay. Okay, voice recorder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Test. Okay. Save. How to play? Oh, probably you can play it in the music player. No. One, two, three, four. Test. Cool. Extras. Countdown timer, stopwatch, torch. Turn on. Oh, the torch is on the top. Okay, cool. Turn off. Converter. And oh, another icon for the torch. Cool. And calendar, counters, files, file manager obviously. Okay, in general I'm happy. Now it's really lightweight, as I said, nothing special, but this is a 4G phone with Opera Mini browser, 2.4 QVGA display, rear camera, which is this one, 0.3 megapixel. Obviously no selfie camera. And the cool thing is, to listen to the radio I don't need headphones. It's a wireless radio. So there are in total 3 colors of this phone: the sand one, the blue one, and the black one. I've got the black one. I'm gonna use this phone as a secondary phone for my Canadian Virgin Mobile SIM card, and also I am going to use this phone for trips. Alright, thank you very much for watching. This is the end of this video. So, quick overview of the phone. This is the headphone jack. This is the torch. USB port for charging. And the camera looks like a speaker. And that's it. So you need to put some kind of a protection on the screen. It's nothing special and you can leave lots of fingerprints, but in general I have to say I am happy with the purchase and I will use this phone. Thanks for watching. Bye.